I made my mechanic really mad. Let me show you what I did. So my mechanic calls me and he says, "Where's all the old stuff?" I'm like, "What old stuff? I took it off the boat. I need it." And I'm like, "Well, I'm not there. I'm in Las Vegas. I can't give it back to you, but I've got it." And he was like, "Arr, don't touch my stuff." And it's really funny because the intersection of my needing to clean and him needing to work on the boat engine without like things being messed up, like completely bumped into each other. So I'm gonna put all the stuff back on the boat. It's so bright, I don't even know if you guys can see this because I can't, but that is a crab spider. They're pretty good at catching no-see-ums, so I like them, but he's laid a trap for me in front of the door. So my two projects for today are to put the engine parts back on the boat so my mechanic's not sad with me. And I have to basically strip the entire cockpit here so nothing can get tripped on and nothing can get messed up.